This is the Valentine One Gen 2, and I'm going to show you how to do the most basic installation in a car, and I'm going to use this 2011 Volkswagen Jetta, my dog's car, as the example. I've installed Valentine Ones, Gen 1 and Gen 2 now on cars, motorcycles. This is going to be the most simplest way to just get your device running. This is the Valentine One Gen 2, and I'm going to install it in this 2011 Volkswagen Jetta wagon. It's a turbo, don't be jealous. It's a dog's car, but doesn't mean I don't need a radar detector. This is the V1 Gen 2. It has the windshield suction cup, but I'm going to mount it on the visor instead. So I took off the suction cups and put the visor clip on it. Okay, so now it's on the visor. You're going to want to put the cord in this one, the main one, not the accessory. So this is the place we're going to use for the cord. We just find our 12-volt lighter, flip it open, stick that in there. Now all we need is the cord. I'm going to use a straight cord, and I'm going to route it from the radar detector down the pillar, across the front, and to the power source. Now I'm just laying it flat and tucking it in there, getting it straight for now, curling it around here, just continuing to tuck it in around these edges, and every car is going to be different, of course. Making it follow around here, and in this crease right here, and then I'm just following this seam right around here, and then the cord stops here, and I wrapped it around to plug it into the power adapter. Take something that's not sharp but stiff enough to do this, and just make sure you push the cable in everywhere, or else it's going to vibrate and come out and you'll be fighting it. Now if we turn the key, we can see it coming on. So it works. With Gen 1, you could buy these remote mute buttons and indicators, and a lot of people liked mounting them down here so they wouldn't have to reach all the way up to the radar detector to mute it during operation. This old Gen 1 doesn't work with the new Gen 2 Valentines though. You have to buy a Gen 2 one, but you don't necessarily need it nowadays. That's because the new Gen 2 is Bluetooth, which you see from the little blue light that comes on in the corner down here. Get it a second. Okay, so that means it's connected to my radar detector. JBV1. So you can control everything with the JBV1 app, as opposed to needing the extra remote unit down here. And this doesn't require you running cables all over the place. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn more about how to enjoy amazing machines like this.